Hello everyone. I'm here at Kaamulan Park, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. So I felt bored at home. So I've decided to come here and wandering around. Actually, I'm bringing illustration board with me because I'm planning to do what's this? I'm planning to draw anything. But unfortunately, I forgot my color pastels at home. So there is no use of this illustration board. And you know what? I bought pencil, sharpener, eraser, only to find out that I forgot my pastels at home. Kung naboboard kayo, gumala na lang kayo guys. Ang pangit kasi ng atmosphere sa bahay. You know what? I was planning to go abroad again, and maybe I will gonna choose KSA or Dubai. I can no longer go back to HK naman. So I'm planning to go to KSA to my sister as a cleaner or in Dubai. Actually, I'm busy. These days, I'm so busy because it's our final exam in college. The exam will start on this coming Wednesday. This coming Wednesday, I mean tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday. Oh, what's this? They're making a bridge. Okay, so good for me. I finished this first sem. I'm not sure, and I don't think I can pursue this coming second sem because I'm planning to go back abroad, guys. Grabe, di kakayanan dito sa Pinas. Napakahirap. Mahirap ang buhay pag walang pera sa bahay. I'm so poor and I really felt bored. So instead of sleeping on my bed, I went out and come here. Okay, so hopefully later I will go to Malaybalay City Hall. Ang ganda kasi ng nila dun, guys. Decorations. Christmas decorations nila, ang ganda. Sobra. I will go there. Oh yeah. So for now, I'm gonna have a walk despite of some mosquitoes biting me. Ang daming lamok. Ang liliit pa. Buti na lang I have my jacket with me. So the paligid is so silent. There's no noise at all kasi walang mga tao. Kasi morning lang kasi ang dito may mga magja-jogging. Kaya so as I'm walking, we will have a little bit chican of what's happening here in the Philippines. I guess every one of you have heard and knows about what's happening in our political today, in our political issues today. Ang daming nabudol. And I won't mention kung sino yung nangbudol. In fact, ako ay nabudol because when I was still in Hong Kong, sobrang busy namin noon. No, we almost collapsed na with my friends because we're really hungry. We're lining up for the registration of the COMELEC para makavote. Only to find out na yung pinaghirapan namin noon na baliwala lang pala dahil kami ay na-scam. Sana hindi kayo na-scam. Sana ako lang. But anyways, that's life. Ang life ay parang buhay yan. Yan. So, I know everyone knows the issues of the Philippine politics. They were arguing about the funds, about everything. But you know what, guys? If you will just open your eyes, if you will just open your mind, malalaman nyo talaga kung sino yung garapal at sino yung kurap. Ayan. Ay nako. Kaya hindi, alam nyo, Philippines is a very rich country, but because of our corrupt government, talagang wala tayong asinso. Kasi ang dami nilang kurakot. may nabasang ako sa Facebook eh. Yung mga tax natin pinapamigay sa mga taong tambay, walang alam gawin kundi magsugal at mag-inom. Tayo na naghihirap, nagbabayad ng ating tax ay napupunta sa kanila. Mga walang iya. O diba? Sobrang ng government natin. Sobrang ay nako. Talagang hindi na tayo aasenso. At ang nakakatakot pa dyan, yung security natin, yung safety. Wala, hindi na safe talaga. Kasi ang dami ng mga drug addicts. Ay, noon ang dami nag-surrender, diba? Takot, mamatay. Ngayon, bumabaha ang mga addicts. Ay nako. Naaaliw ako dun sa batang nagrarally. Ang ganda ng niya. Ang ganda ng performance niya. Ay, yun malayo-layo na din yung ko. Narating ko. Oh. Pine trees. Oh, what's that? Okay. You know what? Before I made a poem about Bukidnon, and I guess this part here is included in my poem, but I really forget na. With the tall trees, tall pine trees like that na. I forgot. Hahanapin ko yung poem na yon. At ko din. Gawin ko din content yon. So ito ang Kaamulan Park. Actually, dun lang naman sa harap yung maganda eh. Kasi yung nakaano talaga yung mga damo dito oh. Ang haba ng mga damo. Sana nilagyan din nila ng mga flowers no para maganda. Wala lang. Oh. Ang ganda lang kasi dito eh. Kasi kung gusto mong umiyak, pwede kong umiyak. Walang makakarinig sa'yo. When you're feeling so sad, tignan mo lang yung mga God's creation. Ang ganda. Basahin natin to guys. When trees burn, they leave the smell of heartbreak in the air. Take no one but pictures. Trees are poems that the earth writes upon the sky. He who plants a tree plants a hope. A tree is our most intimate contact with nature. Tama. Our tree is the most intimate contact with nature. A few months ago, dito kami nagja-jogging ng asawa ko. Kaso nakakapagod na. Pwede naman kasi mag-exercise dun sa bahay eh. Kasi malayo din kaya to mula sa tinitirahan namin. Ano to dito eh. Proper to ng Malaybalay City eh. Yung tinitirahan namin yun, Barangay 11. Nasa Impalambong. Okay, pupuntahan natin yung City Hall mamaya pag walang walang ulan. Para makita niyo ang kagandahan ng Malaybalay City Hall. Ang ganda talaga guys. Ayan. Wala na. Halos maubos na yung ko. Hininga ko. Oh my gosh. Oh, umikot lang naman ako eh. Pero sobrang haba ng daanan. As you can see, no one is here, right? Ayan. Okay. For to attain a healthy living or a healthy life, to exercise, you can do at home or outside. Just like me, I'm walking right now and I'm sweating too much. Ang ganda sa health. Nakakawala ng tingnan. Nakakawala ng tawag doon, sakit ng ulo. That's all and thank you.